Chapel School classroom, born and raised on the library where I spend most of my days. Reading now, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all studying some science outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble while I ate some food. I got in one little fight, the librarian got scared. She said, "You're moving to the office, you better be prepared." First DC, yo, this is bad. Picking on a dude parachute somewhere. Is this what the people of DC live like? This might be alright. I pulled up to the room around 37 or 8, and I yelled to my friend, "Yo, home, see you later." I looked at my kingdom, I was finally there to sit on my throne as the prince of this chair.
Good morning, Chapel, and welcome back to CTV News. I'm Guy.
And I'm Omar, and we'll be your anchors this week. With Big Four coming around this month, let's see how our teams are doing so far this season.